So thank you so much for asking me how important it is for family to get the help that they need so they can become the people that they're meant to be. For me, as a clinician, as an interventionist, as a parent, as a grandparent, I cannot tell you how important it is to work with family so that they can be whole again, they can feel good again, and they can live the lives they're meant to be. So in the way that I work, family becomes critical because we have to teach them, A, how to detach with love from their loved one who is the identified loved one at this moment, B, how to get their own help, and 3, how to take care of themselves physically, emotionally, and spiritually, or consistent with their values. And one of the things I will do is say, okay, what are the 3 things you're going to do this week to take care of yourself physically? And what are the 3 things we're going to do that are consistent with your values? And what about spiritually? Are you going to take that walk on the beach? Are you going to take that walk, because we're in Los Angeles, up Runyon Canyon? Or are you going to be like me and go to Soul Cycle? What are you going to do? Are you going to go to an Al-Anon meeting? Or are you going to go see your therapist? What will we do so you can be the people? Are you going to have a date night if you're a mom and dad? Because now you can have a date night because Johnny's safe. So there's really important that people work ongoing with family, because family needs to change as much as the loved one who's in treatment needs to change.